You might have seen these kinds of videos taking the internet by storm. Funny, dramatic, fully animated, and somehow way too relatable. You're probably wondering how they're made. The answer, obviously AI. But it's not just that simple. Or is it? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to create reels like this, step by step, using Chatgpt, Midjourney, Kling. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you a secret tool that can do it all in one place. From concept to a viral-worthy final video, this is your complete guide. Let's get started. Every good reel starts with a great concept. Here's how we brainstorm with Chatgpt. First, let's ask Chatgpt for some content ideas based on our niche.
Make sure that you are descriptive with your prompt and you mention what you want in the ideas exactly. Hit enter and see it do its magic. As you can see, it has already given us some crazy storylines. But let's add some spice to it. Let's add some unseen twist to this story to make it more interesting. Now that we have some modified versions of the original storylines, let's pick one and run with it.
Now that we have our concept, let's generate the full script. Since we'll be adding music later, we won't include any dialogue, just pure visual storytelling. Chatgpt will give you a basic 30 seconds of script. Story flows how Mila gets cheated on by her boyfriend during a fashion show, takes revenge, but then at the end ends up with the other girl, that being our twist. Next, we'll ask Chatgpt to generate a shot breakdown and prompts for each image. By specifically requesting breathtaking visuals, the prompts become more visually rich and film-like, perfect for creating AI-generated videos. Ideally, your video should have around 20 shots so your story flows well and is easy to follow visually. Now, as you can see, we have Midjourney prompts. These are the most versatile prompts and can be used on different image generation platforms. We have description for each shot and a title for them as well. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to generate our images. For this, we'll use a tool called ImageFX, a free image generation platform by Google Labs. Just copy the prompts from Chatgpt and paste them into ImageFX. Notice how I am not copying the last bit, because those are the parameters specific for Midjourney. We don't need them in ImageFX. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to portrait and start generating. You'll get 4 images for each generation. You can choose one or regenerate. You can always do a few iterations until you find an image you're happy with. Once it looks good, download it and repeat the process for each shot. Every single word in your prompt carries weight. Sometimes, just adding or removing one word can completely change the outcome of your image, in terms of style, composition, or emotion. Download the image you like, then repeat the process for the next shot. Just copy the prompt without any parameters, paste it into ImageFX, hit Create, Download, and move on. It might feel a bit tedious at times, but trust me, the end result is always worth the effort. Pro tip: Chatgpt sometimes includes character names in prompts instead of visual descriptions. Make sure to tweak those manually for better results. Generating hundreds of AI images every day can be exhausting, and eventually, you'll hit a creative rut. You'll find yourself staring at 10 similar images, wondering, which one is the best? Which one should I use? Here's how I decide. I evaluate each AI visual like a creative director. And for me, there are 4 key things I always look at: composition, layers, lighting, and mood. Composition is all about how things are arranged in the frame. If everything feels too centered, cramped, or flat, I skip it. A great AI image shouldn't feel flat. I look for depth. Lighting sets the entire emotional tone of your image. I ask, does it feel natural or stylized? Finally, mood. Ask yourself, how does the image make you feel? If it doesn't make me feel something, I usually pass. And if you're still unsure about a shot, maybe the prompt feels too vague or something's missing, don't worry. You can always go back to Chatgpt and ask it to rephrase or refine the prompt until it gives you exactly what you need. Don't stop until every image matches your vision. The magic is in the details. Once all your images are ready, head over to Kling.ai and use their image to video feature. Upload your image, write a basic prompt, select the professional mode, and before you generate, click on DeepSeek. This will make your prompt more descriptive. Once the prompt is ready, click on Use Prompt and make sure to delete any unwanted parts from the prompt and hit Generate. Kling offers a few different rendering models. Kling 1.6 model. This model adds a subtle slow motion effect, which can give your scenes a slightly dreamy, emotional quality. It's perfect for dramatic or introspective moments. Kling 2.1 Master. Best results but equally expensive. It uses thrice as much credits, but the quality is worth it. It's ideal for hero shots and emotional close-ups. Standard 2.1. This model gives you a great balance between quality and performance. It renders faster than Master mode. It's ideal for most scenes, especially if you're doing a full sequence with multiple clips and need consistency. Once your clip has been generated, review and download. Now, all you need to do is repeat the same process for each image. Upload it, write your prompt, refine it using DeepSeek, review the generation, and download. I'm using Standard 2.1 for all my generations to keep the motion style consistent across the entire video. Just rinse and repeat until you've built your full sequence. Need to tweak something? Just click the pencil icon next to your generated video. This opens up the editing panel, where you can adjust your prompt, swap the image, or fine-tune the description. It's super helpful if a shot doesn't feel quite right. Maybe the motion is too fast, the character pose is off, or the style needs refining. Once you've made your changes, just regenerate the video with one click and preview the updated result. Now that we have all our video clips, it's time to compile them. I personally use Premiere Pro, but you can use any editor. Clipchamp, CapCut, or Capwing work just fine. I usually add transitions and color grading, especially for flashbacks or emotional scenes. If you skipped straight to this part, you might just be one of the smartest people alive. Because now, we're diving into the easiest, most time-saving way to make a viral AI video, using Frameo. Frameo is a next-gen AI platform designed to automate the entire video creation pipeline, from concept to final export, with just a few clicks. You start by simply telling Frameo what you want to create. A short story? A funny animal reel? A dramatic monologue? Mention the genre, tone, key characters, visual style, e.g. anime, realistic, Pixar style, and even how many shots you want. You don't need to write full scripts or prompts, just your vision in natural language. Next, pick your video aspect ratio based on your platform, 9:16 for Reels or 16:9 for YouTube, and hit Create. Once you hit the Create button, Frameo gets to work behind the scenes. It will auto-generate a script based on your input, design and cast characters visually consistent across shots. You can always edit or change characters if needed by just pausing the generation process. This tool will automatically generate a full storyboard for your video. And by storyboard, I mean a complete sequence of AI-generated images that represent each shot or scene. Instead of writing prompts manually for every single frame, the tool creates all the visuals in one go based on your initial concept and settings. This completely removes the need for repetitive prompting and back-and-forth tweaking, saving you hours of manual work while keeping your visual style consistent throughout the video. Once done, it will compile your clips into a complete video by itself. This will also add sound design, music, ambient effect, even dialogues if needed along with subtitles. You can also edit individual images if needed. Just select the image, click the pencil icon, and choose whether you want to edit the existing image or create a completely new version. Then, write a prompt for your new iteration and hit Generate. Once you're happy with all your visuals, simply click Animate. And just like that, your entire video is generated with smooth animations, all using a single tool. No external apps, no manual stitching, Just prompt, refine, and post. Once done, download the full video, or if you prefer, download individual assets from the video. Frameo eliminates the heavy lifting, scripting, prompting, generating, compiling, and gives you back your time and creativity. It's like having a full creative team, powered by AI. Thank you for watching. You can find links for all the tools in our bio.